Namaste everyone, it's me Govinda Sharma, the head teacher of Parvati Secondary School in Bethanchok, Kabre Palanchok. I'm very happy to know that Asian Media Center is going to build a Chinese school in Nuwakot district. And our students are also going to take part in the celebration. And I wish the foundation stone laying ceremony will be a great success. Thank you.
你好，你好，出发啦！老师不去了，老师再见。有没有第三视角来呈现我的窘境啊？
Mineral water mata khanna water Mineral water mata khanna water Timro lagi suhaune mai hu better Timro lagi suhaune mai hu better Mineral water mata khanna water Mineral water mata khanna water Timro lagi suhaune mai hu better
你好，华月圆。
suhaune mai hu better भन्छौ भने घर ज्वाइनी बन्दिन्छु मिनरल वाटर मता खन्ना क्वाटर मिनरल वाटर मता खन्ना क्वाटर तिम्रो लागि सुहाउने मै हुँ बेटर तिम्रो लागि सुहाउने मै हुँ बेटर
大家好，我是艾琳，在此祝奠基仪式圆满成功。